Hello guys, welcome to a new video from the channel. This time we check how to set screen color back to normal on Android phone, so let's start. It's very easy to do it, so first let's go to settings, and here on settings just scroll down a little bit and go to display. Here on display you will find many options as light mode, dark mode if you want, but let's scroll down a little bit and let's go to color scheme. So let's click here and you will find here many ways to color temperature. So in this case you can select whatever you want, but if you want to fix it and go to the normal, just go to vivid recommend, and this is the normal color from Android. So you can select whatever you want. If you want to pinker, you can do it in this way. You can try it the color that you prefer, and if you want to vivid you can select the vivid color, of course in white it's better for you, and go to the back to the normal color on Android. So guys, I hope this works for you. Thank you for watching this video. Remember to subscribe and give thumb up to this video.